Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. Today I'm going to show you what's inside the freeze-dried dehydrated fruits variety pail from Augason Farms. I meant to do this a long time ago, but I forgot about it, so I'm going to do it now. And then that was the stuff that I put into it. So what's in here right now is this stuff right here. We got... we have some Spiffy Whip. It's kind of like, it's a dessert topping, kind of like Cool Whip. That came in the package. The freeze-dried sliced strawberries are in the box. And they are 82 ounces. So 20 servings. And then they gave, let's see, banana chips. There's 8 servings of those in the little package. They look bigger on the screen than what they are. And then freeze-dried blueberries. Another 5.45 ounces. And then there was, excuse me, freeze-dried apple dices, 3.53 ounces. And then the last item in the bucket is some freeze-dried, hang on one second. Oh, excuse me, I'm so sorry. Freeze-dried whole raspberries. And that's 3.53 ounces. And that's exactly how they come, too. So they're kind of squished. Everything they had in here was squished in here at the bottom. When they have so much room in these buckets, they don't use it. They don't use up the whole bucket. So, but they squash everything down on the bottom of it. So I'm not sure how that's supposed to help. But then I added, I leave the pail open because these are all closed. Sorry, my allergies are acting up really bad. So I've been, last year, during the summer, I collected a bunch of freeze-dried different fruits. And so I've showed them in other videos, but just quickly here, I have, several, let's see, 5 packages of the variety pack from Simple Truth. They are freeze dried, and that's the price that I got them for. They have 3 mixed fruit and 3 strawberry bananas, so each package is the same there. Let's see, oh, I actually got 6, sorry. And then I got 1 of the freeze-dried strawberries. I think this was from the dollar store, which is now $1.25. And then out of different, like a different kind of MRE from Chef 5, they had banana chips in every meal. So I saved those up because they're not my favorite to have with a meal, but, so I kind of just put them aside. Sorry, everybody. My allergies are going crazy right now. So I picked up a couple more banana chips when they were reduced to 99 cents. And then I also added in the craisins, but they're on top. So I put those on top because they're dried, but yet not dried. You know what I mean? They're not as dry as the apple chips or freeze-dried like the strawberries. So I put those on top because those are going to have to be eaten sooner than later. But that's what I put in there. It's overfilling, so I really need to put another bucket together. But for right now, it's fine to use it that way because these are all sealed. I don't have to worry about anything. So that's what was in that Augason Farms bucket. And before I sneeze again, I'm going to say, may God bless you to overflowing, and may He keep each and every one of you safe, and your family too. Bye for now.